Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type mathematic operator symbol in Word. So this is very easy to type or insert. So firstly you need to click on insert and symbol and more symbols. So just click on it. So one type of screen will be open. So you need to font select this one. First font select this one, then you can type this character code. So first font and character code. So this digit is 22FF. So this very easy digit 22FF. So just type this and click on insert. So firstly insert this one and go downside. So type 22ED. Now click on insert. Now type 22E4. Now click on insert. So type 22FA. Now click on insert. Type 22D3. Now click on insert. So type 22FC. So just type this character code and click on insert. Sorry, this CF. So type this character code and click on insert. Just 22C9. Type and insert. 22C3. So just type this character code and click on insert. 277. So just type this character code and click on insert. 2272. So just type this character code and click on insert. And so just type this 2288. Now click on insert. So this last one, now close it. So this all are mathematic operator symbol in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video if any missing or any symbol will be wrong. So comment me. So I will adjust this. Thanks.